Welcome student. In this activity, how to do the door plate that I am going to show today. Take any size one mount board, like box board. This is like this way box board you have to take. Now on this box board, I have drawn the 10 centimeter radius. See the radius 11 centimeter, and I have drawn the one circle, and inner circle 8 centimeter I have drawn. Actually, two circles you have to draw. Cut outer side with a scissor, otherwise cut with a cutter properly, and inside the frame you have to cut one small semicircle above side, see the like this way, and small one semicircle below side, and middle keep one strip over there. You can write any your door plate name, means your father's name, your mother's name, whichever you want to write, that name you can write. For middle part I am going to give the white color. See the give the I'm having Fevicryl color, that is why Fevicryl white color. 2 layers you have to give. See the student, this is the first layer. Now I'm going to give the second layer. Now for the outer circle I'm going to give the Fevicryl. See the Fevicryl color, Fevicryl black color I'm going to give. You can give poster color, tube color, whichever color you have. Otherwise you can paste the tinted black paper also. Over here also you can paste instead of the coloring. Whichever method you like, otherwise easy to you, that you can follow. Let this dry for the 5-10 minutes. For the decoration we are going to do the flower, that I will show you how to do the flower. For that you have to take the 6 centimeter one paper. See the 6 centimeter strips you have to take. Now that strip you have to make a square. How to make square? See the like this way. Fold and cut this part. See the like this way. Cut this part one. Like this way. Make 4 paper. One color 4 square. Yellow 4, whichever color you have. That 4 paper you have to do. Now this paper again you have to fold in half. Okay, one more fold you have to do, and one more fold like this. Now this joint side you have to keep it properly, hold it like this way, and draw with a pencil flower petal drawing like this. Able to see? Like this, draw the flower petal drawing. See the where is the open side, that side you have to draw, and cut with a scissor this. Okay, this will be seen like this way, as well as you open. See the cut one more part like this. One petal you have to cut, and put here Fevicol and paste like this way. Your flower will be seen like this. See the put the Fevicol and paste it like this. Keep it one side, and with the help of pencil make it this petals like this way round. See that your flower will be seen like this. Like this way do the one color 4 flower, and middle like this way press little bit. See the like this way you have to press, and we can paste middle another color one paper. Like this, so first of all write the, you can decorate this also, otherwise keep it like this only, otherwise you decorate the with flower.